Hola amigos, soy Ruth y presento clases de español. I'm going for really short, easy classes that you can listen to. If you want to, you can take notes, tomar notas, pero no es necesario because I have notes for every lesson in a PDF and a link in the video description. So that's nice for you. This is clase 3 de 100, 3 of 100, and these are nice easy lessons, nice short easy lessons. This one es basada, la clase basada, es basada en Duolingo section 3.2, so class 2 of the third section of Duolingo. We're beginning to hablar un poco más de español. This class is called Talk About the Weather. So, la primera cosa, the first thing, es un poco de vocabulario about the weather, okay? We're just going to do 5 words. Keep it really nice and simple, and then I'll show you how to use those words because it's called Talk About the Weather, hablar del tiempo. So, first, el sol. Nice and easy, el sol, el símbolo en la bandera argentina. La bandera is the flag. La bandera de Argentina has un sol. Sol is a sun. el sol brilla, the sun is shining. El sol, everybody likes el sol, the sun. Nice easy word to remember. That's one. Dos, el viento. El viento, with the letter V, we have a v thing in español. So, el viento, it's like sometimes it's a b, sometimes it's a v. There's no hard rules. It's just how you want to say it, el viento. El viento, think about ventana is a window, lets the air in. Think about ventilation, lets the window in, lets the wind in. So, el viento is the wind, el viento. So you could say hace viento, it's windy, or you can say hay viento, there is wind. We'll move swiftly on to the next words. We've got el sol, el viento. Okay, you're going to remember all of these because there are 5. El sol, el viento. Now we have la lluvia. I'm going to put a word web for the rain. Now, lluvia, you think I've got my raincoat on, you've got ya raincoat on, lluvia raincoat on, lluvia, la lluvia. I don't know if that helps. En mi mente, in my mind, ayuda. En mi mente, ayuda. In my mind, it helps. Can you say them? The sun, the wind, the rain. La lluvia. So the verb for rain is it rains. Llueve. 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 With the v thing, llueve. And the infinitive of the verb is llover. Like I say, I'll do a mind map of these because there's lots of words about la lluvia. Next, el frío. Brr, el frío. It's what you have in the fridge. It's cold, el frío. And we have that brr, brr, el frío, like a little short trill to the r. So it's not at the back of the throat, like R. It's not there. Frío. No, frío, frío, frío. Okay? Listen to it on SpanishDict.com and make yourself say it. Make yourself say the words. El sol, el viento, la lluvia, el frío. And last one, el calor. El calor, it's hot, hace calor. It makes hot literally, or it does hot. Hace calor. Hace frío, hace calor. Okay, there's a lovely song, I'll link it, about making conversation about the weather. Hace calor, could fry an egg on the cement, it's so caliente. Caliente means hot. I'll link the song in the description. So we've got el sol, el viento, la lluvia, el frío y el calor. If we're commenting about the weather, we might say, hace frío, okay? Mis amigos de Florida came to visit me. They said repeatedly, even though it's verano aquí. Verano means summer. They said repeatedly, hace frío, hace frío. Particularly mi amiga Diana, hace frío, hace frío. So if you want to say I'm cold, not cold like distant, cold, untouchable, but I'm physically cold, tengo frío, tengo frío. Hace frío, tengo mucho frío. Okay? So you can say that. If you feel that, hace frío, tengo mucho frío, tengo frío. Hace calor, it's hot. Para mí, hace calor. Ahora, la temperatura es 21 grados y yo tengo calor. Mi amiga tendría, she would have, frío. Porque es nuestro verano. It's our summer. Y you might say, this is like our winter. Es como nuestro invierno. Invierno, verano. Invierno, verano. You know, when you have guests or when you're going out with children, you predict the weather, okay? So you tell them, necesitas una chaqueta. You need a jacket. Now, if you want to say it's going to be cold, or it's going to rain, or it's going to be sunny, you're going to use va a, okay? So that v makes a b sound half the time, whenever you like. Va a hacer frío. Necesitas una chaqueta. Va a hacer frío. Okay? See how they all blend together? You can say that really fast. Va a hacer frío. Va a hacer frío. The H had never sounded. So, va a hacer frío. Va a hacer frío. Necesitas una chaqueta. Say it to yourself. Va a hacer frío. Necesito una chaqueta. O va a llover. Va a llover. Va a llover. Necesitas una paraguas. Okay, you need your umbrella. Necesitas tu abrigo. Va a hacer frío. The other comment that you might like to make, and we all do it, is saying what you like and saying what you don't like. So we've got 5 things, haven't we? El sol, el viento, la lluvia, y el calor y el frío. A mí me gusta el calor. A mí me gusta el sol. No me gusta la lluvia. No me gusta la lluvia mucho. I don't like the rain much. Now, if you want to say, I don't like it at all, you say, no me gusta nada. So how would you say, I don't like the wind at all? No me gusta nada el viento. And last one, I'm going to say, I hate. Okay? So, odio. If something's odious, it's hateful, it's horrible. So, odio is I hate. Okay? Now, I would like you to say, I hate the cold. How would you say that? Odio el frío. Right. I hope there are lots of things that you can say there. Now, I wouldn't remember them on my own. So that's why I've written them down for you, because I'm judging you by my standards. I know I wouldn't remember them. So I've written them down so that it'll be easier for you to remember them, because that's what I would need. So the link for the PDF is in the description, and vuelve pronto por un poco más de español. Hasta entonces, adiós amigos.